I'd recommend the M3 Marketing Club to pretty much anyone who's interested in understanding what it is that makes their business tick, how you actually market your business and how you can get out to a wider audience.
Well, I've been coming for 2 years now, and this is my 6th or 7th visit to the event, and I was invited by David, M3. The event's been very successful for me. I've made some excellent connections at these events.
Yeah, I think because he brings together lots of different people from lots of different areas, it's always interesting. No matter what sector you're in, you're going to find someone here that's relevant, interesting, and it definitely adds a lot of value to your business for sure.
David's storytelling event is really good because what it forces you to do is to remember what it is about your business that's so important that you can squeeze into an elevator pitch. That in itself is worth the entrance fee.
Normally, I feel a bit out of place at these kind of things, but what I'm finding here is that the mixture of people doing all sorts of different kinds of business, they're very friendly. I'm seeing already a connection of how I can work with other people and how other people can work with me.
I would definitely recommend the M3 Marketing Challenge.